friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to take you along with me as I do some fall things. I'm going to get ready with you, show you my current makeup routine, some outfits that I plan on wearing, and then later we are going to go to the pumpkin patch. So stay tuned to see what I'm up to this time of year. I've got my foundation from Lawless Beauty. They sent a few color choices to me. They are a clean beauty brand. For a pumpkin cold brew drink, I am going, oh no, closed all day. So Starbucks was closed. Instead, I went to Kawa, which is a local coffee shop, and I'm getting their pumpkin spice drink. Oh my gosh, this is good. Oof. It's strong, but it's good. From Trader Joe's. I'm going to go through everything that I picked up. Chicken nuggets, stir fry, coconut and almond creamer for my coffee, roasted corn. These are all frozen things, I'm realizing. Roasted potatoes, these are the best. We had these like a few weeks ago and I got 2 bags of them. Organic mango for smoothies. Another fast meal. These are my gnocchi with tomato sauce and cheese. These are really good heated up for a quick dinner. Ooh. Some hamburger meat, oat milk. This is the best. It is their beef sirloin. It's so good. The girl at the checkout was telling me, oh my gosh, I'm obsessed with this, and I had to agree. We've had this quite a few times. It's so good. Got some organic strawberries, hamburger buns. These sounded good. They're everything but the bagel kettle cooked potato chips. Sounds promising. Got 2 chocolate things. Some dark chocolate covered honey grams with sea salt, and then these dark chocolate sunflower seed buttercups. These I feel like are Reese's cups, but healthier. Okay, so these are for Brian. I got him some sour candies. He loves sour stuff, so that's for him. Okay, all right, here's one of the pumpkin things I got. It's actually a face mask. Leave it to me to get something that's pumpkin and it's a face product. It's their pumpkin overnight face mask. It's got pumpkin fruit extract with papaya enzymes. Sounds rather nice. Pumpkin's really good for your skin. Some sauces, some island soyaki. Figured this would be good for like meat or any sort of Asian dish, as well as their General Tso stir fry sauce. These both seem awesome. Some pumpkins. These are going to be for decorating. Not sure where they're gonna go yet. Okay, here's something pumpkin. I want to make some pumpkin chocolate chunk cookies. How good do these look? Cold brew from Trader Joe's. This is really good. Definitely one of their best coffee drinks. My outfit for tonight, we are going to the pumpkin patch. So I'm wearing my new mini dress. This one is from Abercrombie. It's so good. It fits like a glove. Here it is. I have the medium on. Little long sleeves here. I love the drapey material at the bottom. I will have this outfit linked below. I've got my little brown boots. These are from Target. We're gonna head to the pumpkin patch. I will take you with me.